Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today, we are here to guide you on the application Snapchat, where we will be fixing the problem when the Snapchat keeps kicking you out. How do you get back here? So, you might just want to open your Snapchat, but as soon as you open, it keeps on kicking you out. It's not kicking me out, so I'm just going back to the home screen. But that is how your phone is behaving right now. You open the chat, but it just goes back here. So that is what is happening. So how do you fix it? It's very simple. It might be due to two ways. First thing is your app might not have been updated. So what you can do is go to the Play Store, select Snapchat and check if you have the new version of Snapchat that you have not downloaded it yet. Once you update it, then you may not be facing these issues right now. Another thing is going back. Long press on your Snapchat, select uninstall, and then again go back to Play Store, reinstall it and putting it all your information, that is username and password. If you do this, then your phone will pretty much be back to normal. It will stop kicking you out. Or you can also try restarting your phone along with going to Snapchat once again, long press on it, app info, and go to storage usage and select clear data and clear cache. If you do this, your app will be reformatted. So these are some of the ways in which you may be able to fix the Snapchat kicking you out. So if this video was helpful in any ways, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down below if you have any more queries regarding it. And also comment down below if you have other ways in which we can fix it so we can all learn and grow together. Thank you so much.